Today I'm going to show you how to do the blanket stitch. The blanket stitch is a wonderful decorative stitch to do on the edge of your hand-sewn projects. It can be done on the edge of just one piece of fabric or to join two pieces together. So I have two pieces here and I always like to hide my knots. So I'm going to start between the two layers and poke through to the back. And now I'm ready to begin. I like to use this verse when I'm teaching the blanket stitch to children. So we go in through the bunny hole, run around the log, up through the bunny hole, and off jumps frog. In through the bunny hole, run around the log, up through the bunny hole, and off jumps frog. One thing to note is that when we go in through the bunny hole, my needle is about halfway through and I can let go with my other hand. And the piece of thread that we're wrapping when we run around the log is the piece of thread that's attached to the fabric, not the piece that's attached to my needle. So it's this one that's attached to the fabric that's going to run around the log. And then when I come up through the bunny hole, you can see that my thread is going through the loop here, right through the loop, and then I pull it tight. And we carry on. The blanket stitch is a simple stitch that oftentimes children in kindergarten can do this stitch even all the way up. And that's the blanket stitch. Enjoy!